Hey folks, Sheldon, Truck Hunter, BC, working out of Willowbrook Chrysler 19611, Langley Bypass in Langley, BC, here with the 2020 Honda Odyssey EX, just over 19,000 kilometers on it. Really nice vehicle. As a dad of 4 kids, I know a little something about minivans, and these are really nice, reliable, well equipped, comfortable. Drives nice, beautiful all the way around. Power heated side mirrors. Does have a powered driver's seat as well. Power sliders, rear sliders, or side. Let's start that over. Power sliding side doors. There you go. Power tailgate. Remote start. And it is an 8-seater. Lots of room in the back. Does come with a sunroof. Does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, of course, and Bluetooth. Auto stop start. You got econo mode. It's got a snow driving mode, heated front seats, of course. Is push button start. Does have the paddle shifters too, for a little fun on the Sea to Sky Highway or when you're going up a Coke. But beautifully equipped. And is a 2020 with only 19,000 kilometers on it, or just over. Got a lot of factory warranty in it. The fabric on the seats is all in really nice shape. You have the removable middle seat in the second row here, so you can make it a 7-seater if you really want to. Beautiful vehicle. And yes, we are taking trades, British Columbia, and we finance, and we get you pre-approved by phone. And all you have to do is give me a call, 604-362-2922. My name's Sheldon, Truck Hunter, BC, working at Willowbrook Chrysler.